Welcome to Ontario. So we are here to explore both sides of Niagara Falls. So basically I'm going to split it into two videos, New York side and Canada side. So I'll link up top here to whichever one you're not viewing so you get a chance to watch both. So we flew into the Buffalo Niagara International Airport. We met my mom there, who's a snowbird up north in northern New York, Machias, and we explored Six Flags Darien Lake.
Kate's hands up. Kate, oh yeah, yeah. What you'll see, her hands are up.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever try.
Then we crossed the border to stay here on the Canada side because the views, as you can tell, are amazing. And then we did go back and forth so that we could explore the New York side and still stay on the Canada side. We also spent an extra day in Buffalo with my mom before flying home, so we just got a little hotel by the airport there. So hope you guys enjoy. So we got an earlier start today and we're about to cross the Rainbow Bridge to go to the New York side of Niagara. Here's the check-in process for the Maiden and the Mist tour on the New York side.
I don't wanna waste what's left, and on we'll go.
What did Kate say?
That looks pretty misty still. Alright, we're on our way to the elevator to go down to Maiden and the Mist. Tickets here were $28.95 for an adult. Somehow we're on some package tour we didn't even know we booked, so I'll give you both options.
Till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
Alright, here we go. Oh, the breeze feels good. Oh, is that Cave of the... That might be Cave of the Winds. Here's our hotel. Oh my god! There's so much water in my contacts. Look at it now. Look. Wow. We're not turning, that's just the waves. Turning.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number.
Which means they didn't die the first time they went over the falls. 12 people have survived in those attempts. Typically the ones that seem to survive are in a barrel. That seems to be the safest thing to do. The very first person to go over Niagara Falls is a woman. Way to go, ladies. Annie Edson Tate.
I think so. What's tickets?
We're about 20 minutes early. Is that okay? Or that's fine. Perfect.
All right, let's head down to Cave of the Winds. Oh, look at the babies. It smells terrible here, just so you know. Open the rocks, baby.
Come on, walk
He warned us that there's lots of snakes, non-venomous. It's all right, Peyton. Look how little that baby is. Look, isn't it sweet? Golly, that's a ton of birds. Look at them all.
God, this is worse than back here.
Oh yeah, it smells. All right, we're about to get wet. Oh wow.
Yeah.
This is so pretty.
Want to ride that?
Golly.
They're soaking wet.
Yeah.
See the horizon, turn us to thousands. We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
It's cold.
And we'll
Here we go.
hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. On we'll go.
All right, last cost trolley passes are $3. We
all
overpaid?
three. We paid about double.
All
we
right.
paid $400.
We booked through Viator. We overpaid, but we did get a lot of cool stories. So if you're into tours, do it. It was a good one, but you can do it all on your own, cheaper.
Half price.
Yeah, and it didn't seem like anything was sold out that you need ahead of time anyhow. That's why we did it. We thought it would sell out. All right, Terrapin Point. So you can see America Falls, Bridal Veil Falls is where we were for Cave of the Winds. And then you can see Horseshoe Falls. So the Canada side is definitely more crowded, but it does have a better view of Horseshoe Falls. I think America Falls though is my favorite because I like the rocky boulder bottom. I don't remember.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat.
Can't believe we ate here. It was delicious.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.